Welcome back. You're with us on The Final Word. IT firm Cognizant reported earnings today that saw a blowout second quarter. The firm posting strong revenues, overthrowing Infy as the second largest IT player after TCS in terms of revenues.
That's
so good
right.
news in the IT space.
Totally. At this point in time when the sentiment is low, where IT is concerned, Cognizant has reported a better than expected quarterly profit on increased demand for its outsourcing services, and the information technology services provider has raised its full year adjusted profit forecast. Joining us on more on these results and what's happening at Cognizant right now, R.Chandrasekaran, the CEO, Technology and Operations at Cognizant, is here to speak on the company's strategies. Mr. Chandrasekaran, good to have you with us. You've gained market share, you've pipped Infy. What's been the strategy?
Yeah, actually, it's been a great quarter for us, and it's been rock solid. When we announced our results last quarter, we were we had to bring the guidance down because the demand didn't accelerate as much as we had anticipated at the beginning of the year. And combined to that, the weak economic environment continues. So given that type of a scenario, we are very pleased with our Q2 performance. We again reported the industry-leading growth, 1.795. Is a good growth, growing at almost 5% sequentially. So we are very pleased with our results, and more importantly, it was a very well-balanced growth across all industry lines as well as across all the service lines. Banking, for example, which started on a slower note at the beginning of the year, actually picked up momentum in the second quarter. With the result, our financial services industry grew by about 6.1% sequentially. And life sciences, again, which actually had a negative growth in the first quarter, actually started reporting sequential growth. So healthcare also grew nicely for us. And the retail and manufacturing reported a phenomenal growth in the second quarter. So overall, balanced growth, and we are very pleased with the way our second quarter turned out to be for us. And that's why, we have actually reiterated our guidance for the full year of at least a 20% growth for 2012.
Right. Chandra, the economic scenario remains bleak and others are continuing to cut guidance. How are you so confident of growth at a time like this?
Yeah, actually, the strategy is not any different, Abba. We always relentlessly pursue to be the number one in the minds of our customers. That continues to be the goal for everybody in the organization. And we want to register industry-leading growth quarter after quarter, which we have been very happy to do, repeatedly over several quarters, several years. And our strategy of reinvestment is also helping us to maintain the industry-leading growth. And we will continue to invest more in our business, invest in newer geographies, invest in newer capabilities, and so that we remain relevant to our customers, and always focus on moving up the value chain. And as you really look at this business, it's becoming a lot more complex. Customers have gone beyond labor arbitrage or cost arbitrage. They really want us to lead from the front, bring consulting capabilities, and really help them in their transformation. As their own businesses are going through a lot of challenges and they are looking at transformation in their own businesses, they really want Cognizant to be a valuable partner in helping them with that transformation. So that calls for a lot of investment in our own businesses to bring new capabilities so that we really help our customers as they go through their own challenges in their environment.
So, yes, you're talking about a lot of geographies. When you talk about strategy, etc., Chandrasekaran, do tell us now, what is it going to be on the acquisitions front? What can we expect in the near future?
Yeah, actually, we are constantly on the lookout for acquisitions, acquisitions to really help us, penetrate newer geographies or bring some new customers or capabilities. There's nothing that I can share with you in this call, but, we are continuously on the lookout for good acquisitions that can really help Cognizant maintain the growth momentum.
Cognizant talking clearly there about being on the prowl for acquisitions and looking, of course, to integrate more vertically across the chain there. Thanks, Chandra, so much for joining us this evening. Still to come on The Final Word, India's Mary Kom storms into the semis at the Olympics. All those details coming up.